Hi guys, so the question is sleeping through classes. You have n classes today which are numbered from 1 to n. The classes are described by a binary string s of length n. We call class I important if and only if si is equal to 1. For each important class you must stay awake and listen to it. You are very tired and wish to sleep through as many classes as possible. However, falling asleep takes time. If you listen to an important classes I, then you cannot fall asleep for the next classes. Okay, you must also stay awake in the classes I plus 1, I plus 2 till I plus k for until end of the day. If fewer than k classes remain, for classes that are not important you must sleep them unless the rules above force you stay awake. Okay, your task is to find the maximum number of classes you can sleep through today. Okay, so we have to output the maximum number of classes we can sleep through today. Okay, so yeah guys, like for the first test case, as you can see in the first test case you must listen to class 1 and the class 4. After listening to class 1 and you cannot fall asleep in class 2, so the only classes you can sleep through is class 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Okay, in the second you can sleep through all the classes, as you can see 3 to 3. In the fourth, this one, in the fourth test case you can sleep through classes 1 and 5. Okay, as you can see. So guys, let me show you the code how we are working, solving this approach. Let's number of test cases, then inside a while loop int n comma k, then a string else, then int sleep, int last awake is equal to -1, then for int I equal to 0, I is less than n comma I increment, then if si is equal to 1, then last awake I plus 4. Okay, then if I is greater than last awake, we'll increment the sleep by 1. Okay, then see out sleep, and after that int return 0. Okay, let's run this, take all the test cases, paste it over here. Okay, try again. Okay, we are not inputting the value, that's why. Okay, run again. There is an issue inside, just a second. So yeah guys, it's working. Let me show you again. It could be much better, but I struggle with the output. See, the answer are correct. 1 3 2 1 3 2 2. Answers are correct, as you can see, 1 3 2 2. Okay, so yeah guys, the code is working fine. That's it. Thank you for watching.